try not to spill any crap, eggshell. Then you add the milk. Then we need a teaspoon of vanilla. Then we take a cup of flour. Wait. Try not to spill any. And pour it in. And get another scoop. Then we need 1/3 cup of sugar. Then we mix it all together. Now, bring it over the stove, but I can have to precise supervision. It to me.
Hold. Yep.
Then we wait for it. Then we wait for the butter to melt. Then we put the pancakes that we made before. Then we wait for it to do it. So we're gonna flip it now. Now it's done. So we're going to put a tiny bit of maple syrup on the pancakes that we made earlier. Just a tiny bit. And we are going to